YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world after Google, with more than 2 billion unique visitors every month. Over 6 billion hours of videos are watched monthly on YouTube, and more than 100 hours of videos are uploaded to YouTube every minute. That's why YouTube become a great place for content creator. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to create a YouTube channel step by step from the beginning, including the key optimization settings that most people miss that will help you maximize your results. You can create a YouTube channel in two different ways. You can create a YouTube channel by creating a new Gmail account or by using an existing Gmail account. I will show you how to create a channel by using the first method. So let's get started. Okay, so you can create Gmail account in different ways. You can create Gmail account by using Gmail application. You can create Gmail account by using YouTube application, and you can even create Gmail account by using browser. And for now, we are going to use browser to create our Gmail account. And the browser that we are going to use is Google Chrome browser. Why? Because the Google Chrome browser has all the features that we need to create professional YouTube channel. So that's why we are going to use Google Chrome browser. So now find your Google Chrome browser on your phone. So this is my Google Chrome browser. So I'm going to click on it. So once I click on the browser, it will open for me like this. So once the browser is open, go to search box and search for youtube.com. So once you search for that, click on start or search. So once you search, the app, the website will open for you like this. So once it's open for you, at the top right hand corner, you will see very little profile pic or icon. So click on it. So once you click on that, another window will open for you. So click on sign in. So once you click on that, sign in window will open for you, saying that sign in to continue to YouTube. But for now, we are not going to sign in, because as we said, we are going to start from the beginning, meaning from creating Gmail account to creating YouTube account. So now we are going to create Gmail account. We are going to create new Gmail account. So let's click on this create account. So once you click on that, very little window will pop up with 3 different instructions. First instruction saying that create account for myself, create account for my child, or create account to manage my business. So let's click on for myself. So once you click on that, another window will open for you, saying that create your Google account to continue to YouTube. So this is where you can create your Google account. So now let's fill the details. So first, write your first name, then your surname or last name or father's name. So now move to down and click on create new Gmail address instead. So click on that. So once you click on that, now you can choose any username that you need as your Gmail address. So if that username is available, we will allow you to use it. But if it is not available, they will give you some suggestion. And if you like, you can go with that suggestion. And if you don't like it, you can change another username. So the username that I want to use is Northern IQ1. So this is my username. and at gmail.com is automatically placed by the Google. So now if I come to down, so you will see password. So create your new password. So confirm the password.
If I wrote you a letter, would I have a chance? Would you read my letter if I had it sent? If I wrote you a letter.
So once you create and confirm the password, you can come here and show password so that you can see if you are correct, if you type the password correct. So as you can see, my password is correct. So now you can hide the password or you can leave it like that. So now let's click on next. So once you click on that, another page will open for you, requesting you to add more details on your Gmail account. So here you can add your phone number if you like, but this phone number is optional, and you can add your recovery email address, and this one also is optional. And now let's come and add our date of birth. So I'll just pick up any date of birth. So then select your gender. So if you like, you can come and fill all these details, but it is very good for you to fill all the details so that to give protection to your Gmail account. And this Gmail account, it is Gmail account that you are going to use to create your YouTube channel. So it is very good and very important for you to fill out your phone number and recovery email address. So for now I'm not going to fill in it because this Gmail account is just domain Gmail account for just purpose of this tutorial. That's why I'm creating this Gmail account. So that's why I'm not filling of these details. So now let's click on next. So once you click on that, privacy and terms and condition page will open for you. So if you like, you can scroll to down and read everything and understand. But if you don't have time to read all this thing, you can scroll all the way to the down and click on agree. That means you agree with their privacy and terms and condition. So let's click on agree.
If I wrote you a letter, would I have a chance?
So once you click on that, if you don't assign default browser, it will redirect you to YouTube application, and small window will pop up for you containing all the browsers that you have. So just click on Google Chrome browser. So once you click on that, it will take you back to your YouTube homepage on your Google Chrome browser. But if you are already using your Google Chrome browser as a default browser, it will not take you back to YouTube application. It will directly get you back to your YouTube home page on your Google Chrome browser. So now we are going to start creating our YouTube channel. So for us to create a brand YouTube channel, as we said, we need to change our browser to desktop view so that we can get chance to create brand account. So for us to change our browser to a desktop view, we need to do something. So if we look at the top right hand corner, we can see 3 little dots. So let's click on that. So once you click on that, scroll all the way to down and you can see desktop site. So click on that. So once you click on that, your browser view will change to desktop view. So now our browser is open same as we are using computer. So once the browser is finished loading, so let's zoom it. So once we zoom it, at the top right hand corner we can see very little profile picture with S. So yours will not be S because Google, when creating my Gmail account, they are just picking first letter of my first name and use it as my profile pic. But if I like, I can go back and change it in my Gmail account. So for now I'm not going to change it. I'm just start creating YouTube channel. So let's click on that. So once you click on that, little window will pop up for you with different settings and instructions. So let's click on create a channel. So once you click on that, little window will pop up for you. Just click on create. So once you click on create, your personal channel will be created. So let's get back. So once we get back to YouTube homepage, so let's zoom again and click again on that little profile pic at right corner. So once you click on that, so you will see settings over here. So click on that. So once you click on that, another page will open for you. So you will see the option create a new channel. So click on that. So once you click on that, another page will open for you. So this is where you can create brand channel. So if you can see here, create your channel name. You can use your brand's name or another name. A good channel name represents you and your contents. You can change your channel name at any time. So here YouTube give you suggestion of how you can create your channel. So if you are going to create your YouTube channel, so you should try to match your YouTube channel name with your contents. For example, your channel, if your channel is about logo design, so you can make some words that is relative to logo design. And if your channel is about gaming, you can include some word that is related to gaming. So that's what YouTube trying to suggest you here. So now let's create our YouTube channel. So our YouTube channel is Northern IQ. So this is our YouTube channel, Northern IQ. So now, as you can see here, I understand that I'm creating a new Google account with its own settings, including YouTube search and watch history. So now check this box. So once you check this box, so another button will open for you. Click on that button, create. So once you click on that, another page will open for you where you can verify your account with phone number. You might or you might not ask to do so, but for me they asked me to verify my account with phone number. So let me do it.
You could have let me down, slow it up, but you broke me on the phone.
After filling up your phone number, now you can select how you want to receive your verification code. You can select either by message or you can select either by voice call. So for me, I want to receive my verification code by text message. So now let's click on continue. So once you click on that, another page will open for you where you can type the verification code sent to your phone number by YouTube.
If I wrote you a letter now, would I have a chance? If I wrote you a letter now.
So once you type the verification code, just click on continue to verify your phone number. So once you click on that, it will take you to a blank page like this. So just click on the three little dot at top right hand corner and select desktop site again. So once you click on that, your channel will be created like this. Now my channel is created successfully. My channel is Northern IQ. So as you can see, my channel is created September 18, 2021. So now my channel is successfully created. So our next video is going to be about key optimization settings that we need to do to our channel and how you can beautify our channel so that it will look more professional. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon so that you not miss our next updates. Thank you.